Do you want to create a chart like this? Please check it out. First, as in the example table, I have two columns, previous year and current year. We will calculate the variance percent as follows. Subtract the previous year value from the current year value, then divide this difference by the previous year value to calculate the percentage rate. I will border this column and format. Please visit this website and search for the keyword triangle, then copy the triangle shape and paste it before the 0%. Next, copy the inverted triangle shape and paste it after the semicolon. This semicolon separates positive and negative values. I will add red formatting so that negative values will be formatted in red. Next, we will draw a bar chart. You can see the orange bar represents the current year. I will click on this bar, increase the series overlap, and decrease the gap width so that the current year bar overlaps the previous year bar. I will also adjust the colors, choosing dark blue for current year and light gray for previous year. For the legend, we will move it to the top position and rename the chart title. The final step is to add the variance percent values to the data label. Click on the current year bar and select Data Label. You can see that the data label appears, but it currently shows the current year value. Check the Value from Cells box and highlight the variance percent column. You will see the data label now shows the values from both columns. I will change this to a vertical bar using the Separator option. Finally, format the data label as desired. I will set it to white, bold it, and position it as inside end. From the knowledge we learned today, can you create this similar chart? Let's find out in my next video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more exciting videos.